So hello guys, welcome to my channel Usman Creation. In this video, I will tell you about Erkan Meriç and Yagmur ozturk. They now in spotted and football ground, and they see together football match. It's very amazing match of this year, and he will be enjoyed. And his photographies I collect from Instagram. I hope so. You will be enjoyed these photographies very much. And if you new here, make sure like this video and also subscribe my channel for more latest video, and share this video to your friends also. Thank you for watching, and this video I hope so you enjoying, and these photographs also you will be loved. If, if, if you if you like these photographs, comment going to the comment box and tell me about them. I hope so you will be enjoying, and if you need help, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more latest video. Press the bell icon to all notification. See you in the next video. Bye bye.